Hyundai impresses with 3 new models in this publication: the all-electric IONIQ 5 and TUCSON gaining 5-star ratings, and Hyundai Bayon achieving 4 stars. Although the TUCSON only just clears the hurdle in safety assist to get into 5-star territory, both IONIQ 5 and TUCSON display good all-around safety. The crossover SUV Bayon, fighting its way into an already crowded and highly competitive segment, lacks the center airbag that is standard in the IONIQ 5 and TUCSON. Nevertheless, the Bayon comes with robust crash protection and crash avoidance features, which helped to secure it a credible 4-star rating.